Hello everyone. So in this video tutorial we are going to learn JSON. Okay. So nowadays for exchanging data we have many format of message, like we can exchange data in the form of JSON payload, we can exchange data in the form of text message, we can exchange data in the form of XML. Okay, so XML and JSON are very famous way to exchange data. So today we are going to discuss about JSON. Okay, so JSON is JavaScript Object Notation, and it is a minimum readable format for structuring data. Okay, so if we see, then we have two main component of JSON message. One is key and another one is value. Okay, so key is like a variable and value means what value we want to store inside that variable. For example, name is here key and John is here value, and each key value pair will be separated by comma. So we will see in next example. See, here we have taken many type of key and value example. Like if we have boolean key and value set, then it will be boolean. Key will be status and value will be true or false. If we have number, then key will be roll and value will be number 1. For example, if we have string JSON data type, then key will be name and value will be John. Okay, now object. So here student is object, and this student contain two set of key value pair. One is name of string type, one is roll of integer type. Okay, next is array. So if we take array, then you can see student is object. Inside this student object we have three key value pair. One is name, value is Ravi. Another one is roll, that is value is 1. You can see these key value pair are separated by comma. And next is marks. So you can see marks is an array value in JSON. You can see it stored multiple value like 100, 99, 80, 98, 78, 76. So if we want to store multiple value of similar data type, then we will use array JSON data. Okay, so next, this one is a big payload which contain all kind of data, like detail is object JSON data which contain ID, which is a string data type, name, which is of also string data type, status, it's a boolean data type, started, it's again boolean data type, role, integer data type. Then you can see tags is a array data and which contain multiple string value. Previously we seen that it's contain integer value, now it's contain string value. Okay, so this one is very common message exchange format. One is JSON and one is XML. So you can see how we can convert this JSON in XML. So first object is employees. So we have taken first employees. Now employees contain array of employee. So you can see employee, repeating employee node. Now each employee contain first name, last name. Each employee contain first name and last name. Okay, again second employee also contain first name, last name. So XML is much more difficult to parse than JSON. That's why we are nowadays everyone considering JSON more frequently compared to XML.